missed my turn. I think I just missed my fucking turn. Yep, I missed my turn. Shit. Guess who finally made it? We're here. I just don't remember the house and what it looks like. I think it's this one, but I found it. I'm here, made it. I think it's B.
B is a baby.
Yes.
It's gross. Strictly.
I don't know how to start a vlog. What is this vlog about?
It's about our adventure.
To where?
We're going camping to Lake Black Butte Lake.
Turn left onto Russell Boulevard.
Where's the excitement?
I am excited. I think I'll be more excited tomorrow than when we're going. This is just like the day before, you know?
This is for the two people that might watch this. Is it me?
And me.
And you. That's about it. I don't even tell my parents about these videos. Ooh,
Well,
scandalous.
That's okay.
You excited for Chili's?
Yes, I'm so hungry. Hungry.
Like my hand was in the shot the entire time.
Well, it's really hard for me to connect to camera and drive.
This was me. I tried filming while driving. I was like, oh god, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, that's probably not the best idea.
This is my long distance girlfriend, Gina. I think this is gonna be what my channel's gonna be about.
About coming to visit me.
Yeah, so we live 5.5 hours away. She goes to school at UC Davis. I go to school at College of the Canyons because I'm broke.
In LA. And it's
400 miles.
Baby, don't be dramatic.
That's 375. 69. 368, 65.
Really?
Yes.
Shit.
It's far. That's why it's a 5-hour drive. 5 something.
Well, I'm here till June, and then I have one more year, and then I'm done with my undergrad, and then I get to move back home. So we only have one more year of long distance. I think it's pretty doable.
This could be a long distance YouTube channel. You know how like channels are like vlogging?
Yeah.
This is like what sets you apart. It's a long distance relationship vlog. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
I'll see you guys at Chili's. We made it!
I'm so hungry.
You're what?
Hungry.
Angry?
Hungry. Stop.
We at Chili's. Oh my god.
Let go. Let go.
Let's go, baby. I'm starving.
So hungry.
Ooh, we at Chili's. Chili's? Wow. Why do people vlog in public? What are you getting?
Chicken crispers. This is like chicken nuggets.
Oh my god, that's a lot of
The
guac.
chips are like thin.
Is it good? First reaction.
Are really good. These chips are so thin.
I know. I didn't even get any.
So he has a grip of shoes in his hand. Oh, those actually look good. And he is thinking of not buying any of them. Those actually don't look bad. Do they fit or are they small?
Fit perfectly, actually. Do they look kind of stupid, though? No?
No, I don't think so. I actually prefer them over the black.
Can't get rid of the tide.
Stay tuned for what he ends up buying.
And our action.
Stop. So we went shopping after Chili's. We went to the Van store because I went and got my mom a Mother's Day gift because it's Mother's Day next weekend. And then this one wanted to go to Payless, and Payless is closing because they went bankrupt. And he bought 4 pairs of shoes, which is good because he only had one before. And so he's like set for the summer, and we got matching. We got white matching shoes because we're going on vacation in August. And we'll be so cute at the airport, babe.
I won't wear it when you're wearing it.
You're so mean to me. He doesn't like me.
But I'm dating you, so, you know.
Okay, so you must like me a little bit.
Just a little bit, maybe like 10%.
Whatever. Sorry, I start choking. Can we go now?
Yeah, we can go now.
Okay.
You're the one driving. I'm waiting on you. I can't back out. Ooh, day 2. OOTD. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nene. Nene. What's the skincare routine?
Sunscreen.
That's when I left last time I came, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so right now, what are we gonna do?
We are gonna finish getting ready. And then we're gonna finish packing up the car. And then go get ice and be on our way.
Oh. I still gotta wash my glasses though. I can't see. Look at that. Look at how dirty that is. That's disgusting. Oh my god. You could actually see it in the camera. Ooh.
And we're off.
What the fuck was that? So right now we gotta go get some ice. What else? Some Starbies. Get some caffeine going.
I don't know if I should get allergy medicine.
For you, maybe. For me, I'm not allowed to because I got an allergy test on Monday.
Oh, I forgot to bring my essential oil for you.
That's fine. I don't need it. But now we on our way to Butte Lake.
Black Butte Lake.
Black Butte Lake. Let's get out of here.
I don't like that it's in the car.
That's
Maybe if I roll down the window.
gigantic.
Is it out?
It's out.
No, it's not. You liar.
Little update. My allergies still suck. My eyes are itchy. And we're not even there yet.
You can't take anything?
No, I'm not allowed to take any allergy medicine. None. My eyes are so itchy. My nose is so clogged. I can only breathe out of my mouth. Oh god, she has some boogers up her nose. Now we're just dropping off our friend's pool key, Isabella. Ooh.
Someone didn't want to go swimming yesterday.
Is she even home?
No, she's asleep.
Run. What the fuck was that?
Alright, let's go get ice.
We made it.
Yay!
Alright, let's go see what's up first. Let's view. Perfect. Oh sh.
I picked a good spot.
Right by the trees.
Look, oh, there's a little trail. Let's walk down.
Wow.
I would put the hammock right there.
Yeah, right there. Wow. So good. Amazing. Is he gonna grab the stick? Oh my god, he's gonna grab the stick. Holy fucking shit, he grabbed the stick.
That's right.
fuck was? Yo.
You do it. It's just hard.
Keep on. There it is.
Wow, that was so cool.
And I'm off. It's time for me to leave. I'm gonna nay on out of here. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Whoa. Whoa. Goodbye, Gina's room. I'll see you next week. Cause she's flying down for Mother's Day. But I'm leaving right now. Cause I got work on Monday. And I haven't shaved in a couple days. And my hair's a mess. But I have to go. Go, go, go away. Oh, say goodbye to the vlog. Oh, bless you. Say goodbye to the vlog.
Later, guys. Next time. Till next time.